Welcome to Spandy Way. In this video, we will see how to cook dry chicken keema curry. Minced meat known as keema is used to make various dishes like curry, cutlets, keema balls, samosa and paratha. We will see dry chicken keema curry in 3 steps. Step 1. Onion tomato mixture. Take a pan and heat oil. Add peppercons, cloves, jeera, cinnamon and green cardamom. Fry until they sizzle. Add green chillies and onions. Fry till golden brown color. Add ginger garlic paste and fry till aroma is out. Add tomatoes and fry till raw smell leaves. Now add mint leaves, curry leaves, chili powder and garam masala. Fry it. Sprinkle some water if there is no moisture. Take the whole to a separate vessel and set aside. Step 2. Fry meat. In the same kadai, add bay leaf and minced chicken meat. Add turmeric and salt. Cook covered in low flame until chicken is cooked. You may sprinkle water if meat is too dry. Step 3. Unite. Now add the tomato onion mixture to the kadai. Stir and fry until mixture blends well with the meat. Add cashew nut powder and cook covered on low flame till moisture evaporates. Sprinkle coriander and take into a serving bowl and enjoy. Chicken keema dry curry tastes good with roti or paratha, and it is the best option for breakfast on special day. Thank you. If you like the video, please like, comment and share. Also subscribe to Spandy Way for more videos.